to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings. Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Welcome to successfultradings.com for this weekly trade alert performance review for the week of October 5th through the 9th. So as usual, every week we bring this analysis here to show you how our trade alerts they perform. If you're a newcomer to the YouTube channel, please, we're asking you to subscribe. Why? And we're going to give you 3 reasons. If you stay with us, the last reason is the most compelling one. Well, first of all, you're going to get notification automatically anytime that we post any type of education. Second, you get notification for a pre-market analysis show that we do every day. And on that show, my friend, every morning, we happen to give free trades. We teach you about, let's say, our Gangster trade. Have you heard about our Gangster trade? Many of you have enjoyed that on there. Thirdly, number 3 reason for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel is the fact that we are running a contest until the end of 2020. Every single month, we take the subscribers, the newly subscribed viewers for that month, and we make a random selection of one lucky winner who will come to trade these very alerts that we are depicting the performance results on this end of the week. So, is that good enough reason for subscribing? I don't know, but if I were in your shoes, I would definitely do that. Why? Because this past week, for instance, here's what we're looking at. Before maybe we go into the specific, let's maybe start with the overall summary, right? So this, after 20 weeks when we have launched this service, in average, we have 15 alerts. This week, for instance, we got only 10. You will think that 10 only out of a watch list, there's no way you're going to make money out of it. Just wait for that. So the average move per trade, it's 8.2%. And here recently, we have been, I think I just introduced this where we are charting. Oh, the numbers are actually, yeah. I can actually show you week by week what's the percentage move per trade is. So we are tracking that on the Citron. We're a little bit down compared to before, but my friend, even if let's say you take only the last 5 or 6 weeks here, it's still above 7%. That's twice as much as some of the leading service out there which are trading, which I've been seeing because I receive their newsletters. Yes, I do. Oh yeah, if you want to subscribe to our newsletter, please just send us your email on our website. We are revamping our website, so successfultradings.com. Go ahead in there and go to the contact. You will be able to see us. Can we flash that a little bit, Telex? Yeah, we can flash that. I mean, it's not a shame to flash. Yeah, I mean, so this is the brand new look of the website. And then this is the form where you can just contact us and you can read our blog, our services, find out more about us, and the homepage look like this. So go check it out and see some testimonies, some fancy ways for you to get involved in option tradings here with Successful Tradings. Yeah, that wasn't a shameful plug, Alex, was it? So back to this week's results on here. So yeah, as a summary, we didn't quite officially. I mean, the 10 bagger, that's not that that's getting old, but I'm really not. I'm not tracking them every single week as I used to be, right? The proof has been there for us. As long as we make a consistent winning on trades, that's what carries on. That's the main objective on here. So officially or unofficially, 2.2 10 baggers per week on here for us. So the detail, how did this happen? All of this statistic for this week. So 6.4% average move per trade. The win percentage. Okay, this is another one of those. The win percentage for us is that the stock has moved by more than 4% in absolute value in either direction. Well, absolute value, yeah, that's mean 4% in either direction. Yes. And still we are recording this type of win percentage. 90% of the 4. I think overall here, this number here, if you average all of this, you sum all of them and divide by the number of trade, I think it's like 84%. Yeah. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. I mean, you can do the math, or we will gladly do the math for you next time. So specifically this week, what's worked this week? Out of our list, I'm hoping that this presentation mode here, it's just okay with the screen. So we had Caterpillar, we have free fourth micro run, that's easy cheesy, or FCX if you want, Apple now, Netflix, TWLO, Dallas, IQ. I think honestly, other than now and Apple, because Apple did a lot of sideways, I have to allow you that, and obviously it only moved 3.1%, whereas our system, our machine, AI machine was expecting it that usually not expecting it, yeah, because that's the average. That if it's moved bullishly, it's moved 5% this week. So there wasn't that much trade, let's say, on days two. But this one, oh yeah, Netflix definitely moved. How much did Netflix move? The move on Netflix was such that if you were to enter it when we recommended it, because the alert come for us, we enter the trade when they are moving. Really, we have a unique technique how to do that by using the watch list that we are showing you here. This screen capture here at this time was showing 621% move from the previous day, the 560 call. This gentleman here, this trader, yeah, bought the Netflix call, the 560 at 22 cents, and here they were selling them at $1.42, hence a 543%. Well, on this day, on the day, 647%, which come close to that, right? And then the amount, because they got a lot of those. I think actually this one, I know, because at this time the price of Netflix was 525. Netflix was worth more than that during this week. So meaning this number here, the screen capture here doesn't do it justice. Actually, this trade went to close to 900%. I kid you not. 900% is the beginning of a 10 bagger. So technically, but Netflix wasn't the only one. So money was made on FCX. And this one actually went great. This one, okay, let's be honest, folks, because this double. So if this double, that means, yeah, I know for a fact, day 16.5, they went all the way to 60 cents. So the screen capture again here, there was a lot of money being made on here by yours truly and some of the traders. Caterpillar, the 157.5 calls, what can I tell you? They went in the money later in the week. So this here was a good win. It was a good win. Caterpillar is one of those stocks. I mean, you see 5-point-something% as a move, they will pay gladly. So this here is the aim of this is to give you an idea about what moves, and also because for us we say, oh, 8.2% average move per trade or whatever, let's say 6.4 this week. How does that translate? That's the movement on the underlying stock. Let's look ourselves in the eyes. Let me look at you in the eyes such that we are in agreement with that, right? This is not the win on the options, because some people, we can be confused on that. And trust me, there are services out there where the average win per contract is like no. This for us, this, as we talked about, this is the median. When our traders, they win, this is the type of thing. Well, not that they win, but when the truer wins for us, it will be like 500%, and you see me consistently showing you this type of numbers on here. So money made on Netflix, FCX, Caterpillar was a good one. TWLO was a super good one. This screen here doesn't capture that. I mean, I need to put some in the screen because the 340 calls, I can guarantee you they went up later in the week on here. So, and last but not least on here, money was made on CRM. I know that much. Money was made on IQ. Definitely, because IQ, we were trading the 25 calls. We don't need to be in the money to make money, right? But that's when you can check it out. This 8% move, almost one of the highs, were good. Money was made on BA. I do recall, because the puts, when the market sold off on, was it Tuesday? Yes, those, they paid nicely. Yeah, patience. Can we show that? Let me show that here, maybe on Discord, and we will close on that. So on our updates, was it on Tuesday where we were saying that, oh, patience on FCX? Was it on FCX? This is the 7. Here's the option watch list. Yeah, this is the one that we captured, and patience is being rewarded on the BA puts. Yeah, okay, these BA puts, look at them here, folks. You could have gotten in for 20 something cents. This is a chart of the option. These are the 150 puts, for instance. They went close to $1. So yeah, 25 cents. That's the line here. They're about to yeah. So hence money was to be made on. Well, actually, we can see here at the close of the day. Let's see, BA 150 put 26 cents. Yeah. And the low, they went as low as 5. That's the beauty of the system we trade, folks. Meaning that you can get very cheap entries. How cheap? Would I dare you to show you that there was a possibility to go 35 bagger this week on a trade on this? We missed this trade on Thursday, but on Friday we did not. We made some decent money on it, but not as much as potentially somebody entering. Oh, we didn't capture the low, the high. We could have put it here. The low here, my friend, was 1 cent, and it went after, let's say this is 5 minutes interval. It went to 30 something, 35 cents. That's how option trading goes about, and we are all about those type of trade here at Successful Trading. So once again, folks, we're giving you your 3 reasons to hit the subscribe button. So you will come in for all the education, and the trade will be like a side benefit. I mean, yeah, 10 bagger will be your side benefit, because for us, we pride ourselves into teaching you how to take your trading to the next level. So until the next episode, which shall come the next weekend, we hope that you'll find your way on our website, checking some articles. All of them, they are free on there. We have some great reviews that's on tools that can help you in your investing or in your day trading, whatever way that you elect to take advantage of these markets. We bid you adieu from now. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Bye-bye. Welcome.